Are you looking to improve your health and fitness? Look no further than these top 5 tips for getting in shape and feeling great. Tip 1. Set realistic goals. The first step to improving your health and fitness is to set realistic goals. Don't try to change everything at once. Focus on making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to over time. Tip 2. Find an exercise routine you enjoy. Exercise is key to improving your fitness, but it can be tough to stick to a routine if you don't enjoy it. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy, whether that's yoga, running, or weightlifting. Tip 3. Focus on nutrition. Nutrition is just as important as exercise when it comes to improving your health and fitness. Focus on eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Tip 4. Make time for rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise when it comes to improving your health and fitness. Make sure to prioritize sleep and rest days to give your body time to recover and rebuild. Tip 5. Find a support system. Finally, find a support system to help you stay motivated and accountable. This could be a workout buddy, a coach, or an online community of like-minded individuals. By following these top 5 tips for improving your health and fitness, you'll be well on your way to feeling great and achieving your goals. Follow for more.